The first one says xoxo chuku. What is that?
Say it again, sorry. Just.
Xoxo chukuchu. Don't.
So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have Ernesto, and this is Ugo, and today we're gonna do something very funny. I'm gonna give them Nigerian names to pronounce.
Okay.
And we're gonna see how they do. So each of them get three names. So these are the first two people.
Okay, I'm not prepared at all.
You're not prepared, but just try.
Okay.
Okay, I get the first part.
Wait.
Shall I start now?
No, don't start. Just study the names. Try as much as possible. Okay, so.
In my mind, yeah.
I think I have a very easy three names to tell. So.
Okay.
Shall I start now?
Start with
so
the
the first one I got is Otobong.
Easy.
Yeah, that's
The second
easy,
one is Adesua. And the third one is Tanoma.
Oh.
Perfect.
You see?
Very easy.
Yeah.
Okay, yours was easy.
Okay. First one, Chinedu. Ekanem. Odianosen.
Oh.
Oh, you see.
Okay.
What is that, Chinedu? What I'm saying?
Well, this
It's nice over
is
there, by
easy.
the way.
Okay, let me tell you what you said.
Okay.
Chinedu is from my
Chindu.
language.
Chindu.
No, not Chindu. Chinedu.
Chinedu. Chinedu.
Chinedu is from my language and it means God guides.
Oh, that's beautiful. Can I take a picture?
Yes, you can. Then Ekanem is from a language called Efik. I don't know what it means. It means chief of duties.
Okay, but I want the translation. Okay, I will ask the
I
later.
will send it to you.
Yeah.
Then Odianosen is Edo and it means I am fine.
I am
So
fine.
muy
Okay.
bien.
Perfecto. Thank you
So,
very much.
do you want to know your own names?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Otobong.
Otobong means gift from God.
Oh, I'm sorry, we got a call. So.
We got a call, we have to.
My wife.
You used to have your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I have my own channel, but I don't want to give you right now.
Adesua means child born with wealth.
Adesua?
YouTube channel.
Child born with wealth.
Okay. So that I wanna
Name
keep
your
this one
child.
for my child.
Yes,
Yeah.
for his child. He has a baby coming.
Yeah, it's
JD.
JD.
Baby
Yeah.
JD.
JD Thomas.
JD.
JD. Yeah. We.
Then Tanoma means. What does Tanoma mean?
What is it? Tanoma here.
Born during the farming season. Yes.
So everything is about kids.
Something
you
like
pick
that.
this one for me, special for me, or
Actually, no, it's just.
okay? I
Just
like
luck.
it.
Just luck, exactly.
No,
You're blessed.
You are blessed. Yes.
The thing is that I'm just wearing my baby, and all the three names are related to my.
Yes, exactly.
Thank
So
you.
thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
being
Mama.
here.
I appreciate it.
Did we,
I'm very-
we
I'm
we
very
did well?
You did very well. The names are too easy. I have to make it harder for the next people.
Hey,
Por
don't
favor.
forget to
Por
get
favor.
into
Don't-
Amofa's
You see?
channel.
Say it
She's
in Spanish for them.
Please, por favor.
Inscríbete, por favor, inscríbete al canal de Amofa.
Como like.
Ok. Por favor, conéctense al canal de Amofa. Es la mejor maquillista de México y el mundo.
Yeah. Gracias. Fabián Vega.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Thomas Solian. I was born in Ukraine. Now, guys, por favor,
Por favor.
be silent.
Apologies.
I was born in Ukraine, but I'm Hungarian, and I have Hungarian citizenship. But now I live in Poland. But now I live in Guadalajara, Mexico for 1 year. So
You're moving to St. Pete.
Pretty soon in St.
yeah, and thanks to that, I have a good opportunity to get acquainted with Afoma, Kene, and
About 2 hours later.
a lot of Mexican good people, and I
Yes.
enjoy living here in Mexico. That's all about me.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
and I'm a good guy. Yeah.
He's a very good guy. So who wants to go first?
I think Fabian.
Okay, Fabian.
Ifunanja chukua.
Chukunwa?
Chukungu.
No, try again. One more time.
Ifunanja chuku.
No, why are you saying the ma at the end?
No?
Ifunaya
Chukungu.
Chuku.
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 Ifunaya Chuku.
Ifunaya chuku.
See, this. No, just this one.
Ah, Baku. Baku. Bakua.
Okay. And the last name?
Oluruntubu. Ah. Oluruntubu.
Again, louder.
Oluruntubi.
Aha, better.
Ah.
Olorun Tobi.
Oluruntubi.
Okay, Afoma, before I do this exercise, may I ask you something?
Yes.
Very simple. In Spanish,
In
the,
Spanish.
the accent is going before the, how say, pre-last syllable.
Okay.
In Hungarian, always, it's very easy to read Hungarian, but always it's first syllable you have the accent.
Okay.
What's about Nigerian Igbo?
I don't know. Because this isn't Igbo. No name here. This is Hausa, this is Efik, and this is Yoruba. None of them are my language. So just try
Okay,
it.
okay,
Just try it.
okay.
Try English. Try
Okay.
saying it English way.
No, I will say how I would like, how I feel it. yeah.
Okay, how you feel it.
Because I do nothing,
Nothing.
I do nothing, nothing with just logic, only with my heart.
Exactly.
No, it's so Baba Ginda,
Oh, man.
Something with love, I'm sure.
Exactly.
Very good.
Inem, Inem,
Uh-huh.
Olan Revahu,
Well, the first one is Babangida.
Baba Ginda,
Babangida.
So strong.
Baba Ginda,
Olanrewaju.
Olan,
That's a tough one.
Olan Revaju,
Olanrewaju.
Olandre, Olan Revaju.
Okay, yes.
No,
Try it. Very good. You did very well, Thomas.
Ah,
And
yeah.
you too, Fabian.
thank you.
See, the camera likes you. You need to look into the camera.
Thomas, look into
just remind me, please, King in Igbo, how will be?
Eze.
No, different king.
Different king?
Yeah. Would you be so kind to help King Igbo?
Igbo. What is king in Igbo? Oh, Igwe.
Igwe. I have a friend who is really Igwe.
Yeah.
Emeka.
Emeka.
Exactly.
Emeka, you watching this? He subscribes to my channel.
Emeka is one of the subscribers. So
He's one of the survivors, so
So
Emeka
he
was saying
will see.
hi.
Igwe.
King Emeka.
Emeka.
Yes. Now, I have the wives of the men you, some of the wives of the men you saw before. So this is Linda,
Hi.
and this is the wife of Ernesto. She has the baby. This is baby JD.
Baby JD is right here.
Yes, he's cooking very well. And this is Carla,
Hi, I am Carla.
and she's the wife of Fabian, the one that was very shy. That just did
Yeah.
hi.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna give them names.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is gonna be funny.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So who wants to go first?
Carla.
Okay. The first one says xoxo chuku.
What is that?
Say it again, sorry. Just
Xoxo chuku. Don't. Chuku.
Kosiso chuku.
Ah.
See, try it.
Try it.
Xoxo chuku.
Okay, perfect.
Ah.
The second?
The second one. Is this an L?
It's an L. I see L.
Abiola.
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 No, not Iola. Abiola.
Abiola. And the third says
Try.
Erokboko. Erokboko.
Say it again. Try it. Just add more más fuerte aquí.
El bobo.
Aerobobo. Yes. Excelente.
Nice.
Okay, so let's do Linda's one. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hard. Okay, so the first one says Okochuk Chukugot
Yes.
Okuchuku Tinma.
Yes. And that's my brother's name.
Oh really?
Yes.
Hi brother. Okuchuku Tinma.
Uh-huh.
Nice. Okay, so the second one is Ayodeji.
Ah, perfect.
Oh really?
Yes.
Ayodeji.
So let me tell you, I know this one. Okuchuku Dima means the word of God is good.
Oh, okay.
Ayo Deji means my joy is double.
Nice. Your joy is double because you have twins.
Yes, yes.
Ayodeji. Okay, and the last one says Eromosele.
Oh my God, Linda!
Ay,
Perfecto.
Oh really?
Perfecto. God has granted my request.
Oh my god. It did.
It did,
Ah!
baby JD. God granted your request. So, every name in Nigeria has religious meanings because we're either Christian or Muslim. So, most names have God, 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 God.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, they're very meaningful names. They're
Very
not just
meaningful.
names. They have a meaning.
Nice.
So anytime you meet somebody from Nigeria, ask them what your name is. Unless it's an English name, then they don't know. But if it's a Nigerian name, it has a meaning.
It has a meaning.
Yes.
like my
Nice.
kids.
Your kids?
Santiago and Samuel. Santiago is, how do you say? Sí, es Dios proveerá.
Oh, God will give.
Ah,
Like
God
would
will
give.
God will
Oh,
give
okay.
Santiago. And
I didn't know
Samuel
that.
is listened by God.
Ah.
Nice.
So
I didn't
in
know.
Samuel, God will give. In Igbo will mean chukuneye. God gives. Then what is the second one? God listens?
Yes.
Listened by God.
Oh, listen to God. Genti chuku. Genti means like inti is actually ear.
Uh-huh.
So when they say genti, it means like listen to God.
So this is very interesting because now that every time I hear Chuku, I know
It's God.
it's God
Yes.
in Nigeria.
Yes, Nigeria.
Nice. We learned something.
We learned something today. So thank you so much for being on my channel.
Thank you.
Mama.
Yes, these were in Punta Mita right now
Oh yeah.
on a weekend vacation.
Yeah.
So I said, how can I have all these Mexican and not do something Nigerian?
Exactly.
So that's why we did this.
Now this was a great idea, and take note of this. I had already taken a shower and put makeup on. My makeup was off, but I couldn't be on her channel without any lipstick.
Yeah. So then this Linda was the first person I did makeup for in Mexico.
Yeah. Oh really? It was
Yeah.
the first one?
Yes. And Carla was the second person.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Ah, chocolate.
Chacala.
Super.
Super. So,
Excellent.
thank you guys so
Excellent.
much for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna see more of these ladies and these crazy men.
I think they were funnier.
They were very funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe I'll. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.